And the race is on. Wondrous Wind, the favorite. Pass again, Muralla supercharged alongside Conqueror, Kate Ganda, Big Packet, while Don Vicente is the early trailer. Wondrous Wind rising up, Conqueror from the outside, supercharged Muralla. Kate Ganda racing in fifth by about 3 lengths, then comes Big Packet and Don Vicente as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Conqueror number 7 by about 4 lengths, followed by Wondrous Win in second. Supercharged Muralla number 5 racing Ori outside. Kate Ganda down Ori inside fifth. 2 lengths corner back 6 Big Packet. While Don Vicente still running at the tail of the field as they pass the last 800. Bunch of horses fighting it out for the lead. Kate Ganda is now the leader. Kate Ganda supercharged Muralla is on the outside by the release. Wondrous Win. Another far turn. Kate Ganda Muralla is on the outside supercharged. And here comes Wondrous Win by the rail as they race the last 500. Muralla, number 5, is now the leader, followed now by Wondrous Win in second. Kate Ganda, supercharged, drop it back in fourth as they race the last 250. Number 5, Muralla with E.G. Reyes, this time by about 3 lengths. Down in second is Wondrous Win, rushing up now is Don Vicente. And nearing the finish line, Muralla by about 5 lengths, Don Vicente. And finally, A.G. Reyes on number 5, Muralla. Don Vicente, Wondrous Win, Supercharged, Conqueror, Big Packet, and Kate Ganda comes last.
52467 ang ating